Linden Volkswagen in Roselle, where for over 20 years, customers have been getting great deals for a great deal less.
You will love this white '05 Chrysler Pacifica, touring equipped with a 6-cylinder engine, with 68,007 miles. Enjoy this great car with features like tilt steering wheel, cruise control, multi-function steering wheel, rear window wiper, anti-theft security system, dual airbags, universal garage door opener, and much more. Enjoy the drive, have peace of mind, and drive your entire family in this '05 Chrysler Pacifica, touring. See us at Linden Volkswagen today.
See why their customers have become customers for life. Take a short drive from any major highway to Linden Volkswagen, your hometown Volkswagen dealer, or visit us at lindenvw.com. Linden Volkswagen in Roselle, where you'll always get a great deal for a great deal less.